How to create an account on Uniswap. Are you guys facing issues to create an account on Uniswap? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Uniswap on your mobile device. If you don't know how to download Uniswap, then make sure to check out our guide on how to download it. Once you open the app, you can see this option for create a wallet. Tap on it. After you click on it, write down the name for your wallet. Now click and continue. After you click on continue, tap on skip. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna create an account on Uniswap. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. If you guys have any issues regarding Uniswap, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.